All right, so if you're an immersion parent, you totally know this feeling. Your kid comes home, they're super proud of their homework, and then you're suddenly staring at a challenge you really did not see coming.
And that's the moment, right? The instructions are all in Spanish, and, well, you're supposed to be the helper. It can get a little overwhelming fast. But here's the thing I really want you to hear. You are so not alone in this. You're not the first parent to feel this way, and you definitely won't be the last. It's a totally normal part of the whole immersion journey.
And let's be real for a second. It is absolutely okay. If your Spanish is more, I'm on vacation, than I'm a teacher's assistant. Seriously, you don't have to be fluent to be an incredible support for your kid.
Because you know what? You've got a secret weapon, like right there in your pocket. So let's pull out that little tech magic wand and make this whole homework headache just disappear.
It really is this simple. I'm talking 3 taps. Let's break it down real quick.
Okay, first things first. Just find and open the Google Translate app on your phone. If you don't have it, go download it right now. It's free, and honestly, it's a total game changer.
Now once you're in, look down at the bottom of the screen. You'll see a few icons. You're going to want to tap the one that looks like a little camera. That's your ticket in.
And here it is. This is the magic part. Just point your phone's camera at the worksheet, and boom! The app overlays the English translation right on top of the Spanish text in real time. You've just cracked the code. See? This one tiny hack can completely change the vibe of homework time. And, it's exactly the kind of simple, super helpful tip we love sharing over at Spanifyd, just to make this whole bilingual journey a little easier for everybody.
Yeah, you can pretty much think of us as your bilingual bestie. We're that friend you text when your brain is stuck in English mode, but the homework is very much in Spanish.
And just like that, you've gone from homework panic to a homework high five. The meltdown is officially avoided, and now you can get back to what actually matters, helping your amazing kid learn.
So hey, if this tip was helpful, you should totally follow Spanifyd for more bilingual life hacks and support. Because when you've got the right tools, there's no telling what you can do. You've got this.